Have you ever noticed how, in moments of deep uncertainty or quiet sorrow, words can feel so inadequate? We search for the right thing to say, the perfect phrase to mend what's broken. But often, the most profound gift we can offer isn't found in our vocabulary. Sometimes, your presence helps people more than your words ever could. It's a silent offering, a testament that says, "You are not alone in this," without speaking a single syllable. This is the power of a calm presence. It doesn't demand attention or seek to solve the unsolvable. Instead, it simply exists, creating a pocket of peace in the midst of a storm. It's a form of communication that transcends language, felt in the stillness of a shared room, in the gentle rhythm of steady breathing. A peaceful person changes an atmosphere without needing many words, becoming a quiet anchor for those adrift in their own turmoil. Think of your own inner state as a frequency, broadcasting into the space around you. When you cultivate inner stillness, you radiate that tranquility outward. A calm presence comforts others quietly, allowing them the space to feel their own emotions without judgment. It's an unspoken permission to just be. In your home, at your work, with your loved ones, your centered energy can transform a tense environment into a sanctuary of acceptance and ease. This presence carries an unseen influence, a subtle but powerful force. Like a single pebble dropped into a still lake, its effect ripples outward, touching everything and everyone in its path. Your calm can de-escalate a conflict before it begins. Your peace can soothe an anxious heart. Your stillness can inspire clarity in a chaotic mind. This influence isn't about control, it's about contribution. It's a quiet leadership that elevates the collective energy. You hold this capacity within you, right now. It doesn't require years of training, only a moment of intention. In the rush of your day, take a breath. Connect with the quiet center within you, that unwavering part of your being. Then, carry it with you into the world. Be the calm in the crowd, the stillness in the noise, the quiet light in the encroaching dark. Bring calm where you are today.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.